Hey guys, Redline BMX. I decided to make a bike check on my Redline Ascent 2012. I've had this bike for about 6 months. It's held up pretty good. So we're going to start in the back. I got the Alienation Black Rims BMX. Pretty decent, a little bit bent. I got Odyssey Dirt/Trails. Ride pretty good. I have my G Sport hub. It's a really nice hub, pretty loud. I'll do a sound check in a little bit. Let's move on. Next, got We the People, pivotal seat. And then I have a We the People post. It only goes to about right here. It's a stub. Got my Redline cranks, which that came stock. Got my Ranch chain. It's white. I had a KMC chain on it, but then I got Odyssey chain wheel. It's pretty good. Odyssey twisted PCs. They came with it, so it's pretty good. Then next I have hollow point stem. Right here. The one thing is with the Redline set, you got to be careful like how you put these together, because I mean if you have the bike shop do it, it'll end up like this where it moves. See what I'm saying? Like when I push it forward, like I do a 360, it's junk. Have to go tighten it back up. I just need to get a new not top load, but I need to get a new middle bolt in the plug that goes down inside the forks. Put that in there. The next, I have Animal Edwin's flangeless. Nice grips, last you a while. And then, let's see, I have the hollow point stem that came stock. Then Redline bars. They're 28, 8.5. Well, 28 width and then 8.5. And then, looking at the front now, I got my Odyssey forks. Those weren't stock, but because I kind of bent my other ones. And then next, I have another Alienation rim. It's a custom blue, pretty much. And then I have my spokes. Those are stock spokes. And then that's a stock hub. I messed up one in the back, so. And then I got the Odyssey tire. And then I'm going to do a sound check right now for you guys. Hang on. Pretty loud. Gets the job done. Well, have a good day, guys.